Best bridge cameras. Mechanical keyboards have surged in popularity because typists and gamers alike appreciate the satisfying switch feel, durable build quality, and smart layout that support long sessions and precise input. When choosing a quality peripheral, you evaluate switch type, build materials, ergonomic layout, and value. In a similar spirit, this guide reviews 5 bridge camera and related gadget-style cameras or adapters, focusing on image or signal quality, build and usability, layout of features, and overall value for money. Product number 1. Tapo 2K 3MP Pan-Tilt Indoor-Outdoor Security Camera. The Tapo 2K 3MP Pan-Tilt Indoor-Outdoor Security Camera brings impressive features for its price tier. It offers 2K resolution, roughly 3 MP, pan-tilt functionality covering wide horizontal and vertical angles, and a weather-resistant exterior, so it works both indoors and outdoors. Ideally for monitoring rather than primary photography, its strengths include sharp daytime clarity, decent night vision, and intelligent alerts, person or motion, via the app. Downsides: the mobile app isn't as slick as high-end models, and full manual controls or large sensor performance are absent. If you're looking for a flexible option to monitor scenes or capture wide fields of view with modest cost, this camera packs excellent value. Product number 2. Bros Trend AC1200 Wi-Fi to Ethernet Adapter. While not a traditional bridge camera, the Bros Trend AC1200 Wi-Fi to Ethernet adapter acts like a bridge device in your network and can support Ethernet-based camera systems or other wired devices by converting them to Wi-Fi access. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, and features an RJ45 port, letting you connect wired devices such as cameras, printers, or smart TVs without running cable. Reviewers report good performance for the price in improving connectivity or eliminating dead spots, with straightforward setup through WPS or Web UI. Trade-offs include average 5 GHz range, while reduced performance, and a simpler feature set versus premium adapters. For budget home security setups where a wired camera needs wireless integration, this adapter offers smart value. Product number 3. Panasonic Lumix FZ80D point-and-shoot digital camera 4K photo. Despite being a more traditional bridge camera, fixed lens zoom super zoom, rather than a security device, the Panasonic Lumix FZ80D deserves mention. It features a 60x optical zoom, equivalent to approximately 20 to 1200 millimeters full frame, 4K video and still photo capability, and a DSLR-style body with built-in lens, ideal for travel, wildlife, or long-reach shooting without changing lenses. The major advantages: great zoom range, 4K capture, and decent handling for its price. The downsides: the sensor is small, 1/2.3 inch, meaning image quality in low light is limited, and dynamic range is modest. Build materials lean plastic, and the fixed screen may restrict vlogging. For bright light outdoor use, this is a very good value super zoom bridge camera. Product number 4. Winese Security Cameras Outdoor Wired 2K Wi-Fi Cameras for Home Security. The Winese Outdoor Wired 2K Wi-Fi Security Camera offers wired outdoor surveillance with strong feature set, 2K resolution, color night vision, motion detection with AI, people, pets, and IP-rated weather resistance. Users report clear day and night footage, simple installation, and broad field of view. However, because it's a wired model, power must be planned. Integration with smart home ecosystems or open platforms may be more limited. For homeowners seeking high-resolution coverage of driveways, gardens, or entrances without swapping lenses or dealing with interchangeable lens cameras, this model offers very good value and reliability. Product number 5. Gigabit Wireless Bridge with Mounts, 5.8 GHz Point-to-Point Extender. Again, while not strictly a camera, the Gigabit Wireless Bridge, 5.8 GHz point-to-point extender, plays a critical supporting role in remote camera installations or linking outbuildings. It enables network traffic, camera feeds, NVR streams to traverse long-distance outdoor paths without running Ethernet cable. Ratings highlight solid throughput when line of sight is maintained and ease of mounting with included hardware. Crucially, while it offers gigabit branding, actual wired throughput often bottoms around 100 to 200 megabits per second in real-world setups, so expectations must be tempered. For remote surveillance installations where network access is the limiting factor, this device bridges the gap cost-effectively.